Billion-dollar asset management firm Arrington Capital has decided to give Algorand $100 million towards the growth and development of their ecosystem. Simply put, Algorand is about to have a wall of money all over it. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this recent development. Stay tuned. Welcome back to another episode of your Digit Hustle News. Ladies and gentlemen, we're talking Algorand because Arrington Capital is a well-known venture capital firm, most notable for bringing us TechCrunch and Crunchbase, has decided to create a $100 million growth fund that will back Algorand's projects moving forward. In a quote from the Chief Operations Officer, Sean Ford, for Algorand, the Arrington Algorand Growth Fund represents yet another key strategic pillar in supporting the momentum of those building on top of what we think is the best technical platform for regulated DeFi and the future of finance. Guys, I would have to wholly agree with that statement because the more I look into Algorand, the more I am convinced that finance is their specialty. Their backers are in finances. The people on the board are in finance. The developers even have some financial background. So Algorand is definitely focused, but let's get into the details. Support for the Algorand ecosystem appears to be growing, with digital asset manager Arrington Capital earmarking $100 million for projects building on the smart contract platform. The massive Arrington Algorand Growth Fund, or AAGF, has been designed to accelerate additional development across all facets of the smart contract platform. The company announced Thursday that this would include applications spanning the DeFi, traditional finance, public sector, and NFT marketplaces. Notice how that NFTs have not completely gone out of the conversation, guys. The technologies to NFTs have way deeper implications than just collectible art. Okay, keep that in mind. Now, the AAGF will invest in an array of Algorand-focused projects, including native cryptocurrencies that drive new financial applications on the network. So, look forward to some native Algorand tokens coming soon, guys. That's going to be big. That's also going to drive the price of Algorand because they're going to need to support these other projects. Now, Arrington Capital was founded by TechCrunch and Crunchbase founder Michael Arrington. The company oversees more than $1 billion in assets under management, and its portfolio includes key investments in Unbound Finance, BlockFi, Polkadot, Kava, and many others. Michael Arrington said his firm is inspired by the traction that Algorand has in the market right now, adding, with unmatched tech, robust developer resources, and a vision for long-term sustainability, Algorand is empowering its community to more easily create the future of finance. Now, as you can see in this little related line here, Arrington Capital also is heavily invested in XRP, along with Pantera. So, another thing to take note of, guys, the rooms that these companies tend to associate in. It's very important. Now, in closing, Algorand was viewed as a serious smart contract competitor to Ethereum during the run-up in the 2017 bull market. The proof-of-stake blockchain has received more than $500 million in strategic investments. According to Arrington Capital, this includes a $25 million fund from Borderless Capital to support digital payment solutions on the Algorand network. Now, at the time of recording, Algorand is the 35th most valuable blockchain network with a total market cap of $3.1 billion. So, guys, if you're stumbling upon this video for the first time and you just got some Algorand and you're trying to decide if it's a worthy investment, I can tell you that yes, although this is not financial advice, but Algorand has a lot of money, as we just seen, $500 million, even more since 2017. Okay. They are focused on finance and DeFi. And those are essentially, outside of everything else, the supply chains, IoT, data and analytics, everything else that we love to talk about, the driving factor is finance. It's the changing of the financial system. And projects like Algorand, like Stellar Luminance, like XRP, like Ethereum, they're looking to usher in the future of finance. So, that being said, guys, I just wanted to be the first to bring you this news. Arrington Capital backing Algorand with $100 million growth fund. And I can guarantee that that number will increase as time goes on, okay? Because there's more big news coming down the pipeline for Algorand. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that update. Promise you, it's big. It's big. But as far as this video goes, that's all I got for you specifically. As always, thank you for coming back to the channel. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Of course, you can get down at me in the comments. Let's talk Algorand. Let's talk the future of money. Anything. Get down at me in the comments. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. All the links you can find down in the description. But that being said, guys, I want you to have a great day. Have a prosperous day. Most importantly, make that money. I'll see you in the next video.